Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to download Optifine for Minecraft. First you need to install Java, the link will be in the description. Once Java is installed, go to the Optifine website and download the version you want and run it. Next, run Minecraft and create a new installation, and you should see an Optifine version. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.